Hi, this is Stephen with Fairs Management Interactive, also known as Fairs MI. And today we're looking at the Santa Cruz County Fairgrounds installation of our new planner software. While we take a look at the floor plans and outdoor area maps loading, you'll notice all the various tool control areas. This reflects the new generation of fair industry professionals' desire for more detail and more customization control in their planning technology. The truth is, it takes no more than 5 of the Fairs MI tools to fully plan any event and manage site infrastructures. The original version, 20 years ago, of Fairs MI was for managers who were not technically proficient and did not want to be technically proficient. The CNE has been using our planner for almost 15 years, and they've been using those same 5 tools this entire time. Whether it's event halls or outdoor aerial maps of the fairground, we use our own process to create fast-loading, high-resolution, high-accuracy scale backgrounds to apply various event facility objects onto the foreground. While objects can just be represented as white rectangles, sized and positioned and labeled, with our unique system, objects can be anything you want and can be accurately represented on your plans. Tents, kiosks, rides, barrier lines, bleachers, picnic tables, even vehicles, semi-trailers, RVs, or farm equipment on display. As we look at the outdoor aerial maps, you'll notice included with the entire fairgrounds, we've added several close-ups for more convenience when laying out those dedicated use areas. Please keep in mind, for demo purposes, these close-ups are our best guess, and the actual close-ups and their names will be based on your preferences. Now for indoor events, with one click, lay out an entire hall with the booth numbers automatically generated. Just fill in the booth and aisle information, number of booths in a row, the booth size, number of aisles, width of aisles, and starting booth number. And then of course the row numbering, orientation, and direction. And then just drag and drop with your mouse. In just a few minutes, you can evaluate the best maximum use choices for maxing out your halls. Then you begin to delete booths individually or in multiple selections for cross aisles and clearing access for entrances. Start resizing booths, color coding for sales categories. As you assign exhibitor locations, this information becomes part of your saved drawing file. Making decisions on the layout in a hall or on the grounds takes time and experience, but the actual creation of that plan itself should only be just a small part of the professional event planner's time invested in an event. As you assign exhibitor locations, this information becomes part of your saved drawing file. But in addition, an exhibitor list, including booth square footage inventories, can be generated as an Excel spreadsheet directly from the planner. You have the option to control and edit your layout designs using traditional keyboard commands like delete and the up and down, left, right keys, as well as traditional keyboard functions like copy, paste, and undo. But you can also use your mouse to edit manually, to move, resize, zoom, pan, and more. As we pan to the top of this sample layout, you'll notice instead of rectangles, we have farm equipment displayed and cafe tables spaced out. These objects are what we call icons and can be moved and edited just like a square booth shape. Icons are in a collection or list that can be dragged and dropped onto your planner. Here we see the 48-inch cafe tables with chairs on the planner, and here it is on the icon list. You can have bleachers, picnic tables, carnival rides, direction or safety symbols, kiosks, tractors, trucks. Even architectural pre-built building plans can be placed on the grounds to evaluate renovations or master planning. And if you don't see what object you need on that list, just describe and request what you need. And within 48 hours, you'll have that object to include in your planning. So let's look real quick again at that Pod Control's automatic layout for trade show booths. We can combine this with icons to lay out and number an entire banquet hall. You can see here how to lay out the group of booths in that traditional X pattern for banquet rounds, and then substitute the cafe table with chair spacing for the square booths. For the fair or other outdoor events, using icon objects is the best way to accurately space plan and organize your inventories. Organizing and documenting event infrastructure objects like dumpsters, porta potties, banner advertising, marshal yard truck parking, and critical utility locations is easy, quick, and efficient. Contact us to schedule a short online demonstration or a 30-minute learning session. In 15 minutes, you'll be able to begin planning your events, and in 30 minutes, you'll be managing your fairgrounds in ways you thought were not possible. Remember, Fairs MI is for groundskeepers and board members too. Utility mapping, renovation planning, master plan options. We can show you how your local critical response agencies can access the planner to set up public safety strategies or set up emergency shelter plans. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Let us build you a fully powered Fairs MI planner for you to try out using your own fairground.